Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial on Wix Online Programs. In this video, hopefully I will be guiding you through this tutorial where you can add and use one of the most powerful features of Wix.com. You know, Wix is a powerful website builder that allows you to create the professional looking websites without coding. So in this tutorial, we will explore Wix Online Programs, which enable you to create interactive and engaging content for your website. So first thing first, what you need to do is go to your Wix.com, where you need to log in or sign up using a suitable password or your Google account and email. And after that, it is going to simply direct you to your home screen or your dashboard. This is the type of the dashboard that must appear on your screen if you are a previous user. But if you are a newbie, then you must create a new site to start adding the Wix program. So if you are a previous user, you must know how to create a site on Wix.com. But if you are a newbie, then you would be having to create the new site. And I'm going to give you a brief introduction on how to create a new site on Wix.com so that it would be easy for you to add the Wix Online Programs on your screen. So let's just get started. Here you see the option of create new site. You're going to click on this, and after you click on this, it is going to ask you a few simple questions that you need to answer. And when you answer those questions, it is going to help you I'm going to click on setup without the chat. After answering the simple questions, it is going to help you find the type of the website template that you're looking for. So this is asking me what type of the website do I want to create. So it could be an online store, a portfolio, a blog content, technology, so many options. You can go click on this or you can simply skip this. I'm going to skip this. Now it is going to prepare a dashboard for me. So it might take a second to prepare the dashboard. Now it is going to ask me a few simple questions again. That is going to help me decide my template. So what would you like to call your website? You can also put the name of the website you're looking for, or you can skip these questions. What are your goals for this site? You are going to select your goals, or you can skip here. Now it is going to ask you that what type of the apps I would like to add to my website. So it could be an online store, bookings or events, or you can simply go skip this part. Now I'm going to continue to my dashboard. When I click on continue to dashboard, it is going to direct me to my dashboard. Now you see, I'm going to go to my design site here. You'll simply go click in the design site. Now it is the most important step. Here it is going to ask me that what would you like to call or design your website for? Okay, so there are two options. You can generate the design with AI or you can customize a template. If you're looking for a new idea of your own and you are going to start something from the scratch, then you are going to click on generate the design with AI. But if you're looking for customizing a template, click on pick a template because it is going to help you choose your template. Let's just say I'm going to choose any of these templates. Now it is going to direct me to my Wix dashboard. Now this is going to direct me to my Wix website. It is going to simply go prepare my site where I would be able to edit my site. This is the Wix editor. You see there are so many options. It is going to help you find these features which are completely secure and help you use these features. You see add elements, add section, pages and menu, site design, add apps, my business, media, CMS. You see so many options. So now I'm looking for a Wix Online Programs. You know, the Wix Online Programs are a great way to sell courses, your membership, other digital products. With Wix, I hopefully make sure that with Wix Online Programs, you can create and sell online courses, your membership sites, and other digital content. You can also use Wix Online Programs to create interactive content. Let's just say some quizzes, some surveys, or you can also use to create some games. In this tutorial, we will cover the basics of Wix Online Programs, and I will be showing you how to create and send online courses and your membership. So yeah, when you reach to your website, here you see the option of add elements, but we are going to head to the CMS. Here you see CMS. You are going to easily manage your content here. Now what I'm going to do is click on add site, and it's going to add the site for me. What I'm going to do, the next step, is navigate to my add elements. When I go to my add elements, here you have to scroll down to the option of list. When you click on list, it is going to help you find out the tables. And but if you're looking for, I'm looking for the program online tutorial, I'm just showing you that there are text, images, buttons, strips, decorative, boxes, gallery, menu, anchor, contract form, and so many options. But the main purpose here is that we are looking for setting up the programs. You can customize your program with these options as well, but let's just set up a program first. Go to your Wix app market. Here you need to find out the option of search. Type here Wix online courses or online program. When you click on Wix Online Programs, it is going to find out the Wix Online Program. Here you see the option of Wix Online Program. You are going to add it to your screen or to your site. Simply go add it to your site. Now you are going to manage your program to your site. Now it has been added to my site. And now I would be easily able to customize my program or to manage my program. It might take a second to add that program to your site. Here you see, these are the type of the programs. I'm going to go click on this, and there's an option of manage programs where I would be able to customize my program. Get started, and after that, what do you want to create? It could be an online course, a fitness challenge, a personal coaching, or you can start something from the scratch, or it could be a nutrition plan. Let's just say I'm looking for an online course. You are going to go click on the next option. Here it has given you so many templates. You can choose any one of these. Let's just say I am going to start how to create the business plan. Then I am going to click on finish. Now it is going to ask me the visibility and other questions, like you need to add the new instructor. You can check out your visibility, your prices, your rewards, or the connected group. You can also add the first section here, and after you're done adding all these features that you're looking for, you can simply go preview it. Or if you're looking for editing it, you're going to add the basic information here, like what type of the category it is, or etc. So if you're done editing it, you're simply go click on publish, and this is how you're going to manage your programs. And as I've told you guys, you can also use add elements. You can go to the list, you can add the tables here for your programs. So this is how you're simply going to go click on preview as the final touches. If you still need to make any changes, you can check it out on the mobile mode as well. So this is how your program is going to appear after you are done setting up the prices and the name for your program. And this was very easy. Now you can simply launch your program through your site. So yeah, that's it. You have successfully created a Wix Online program. With Wix Online Program, you can create the interactive and engaging content for your website. And in this way, you will be able to sell your digital products to your audience who are previewing or who are viewing your website. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next tutorial.